In this video, I will show how to cut video in VLC media player. So run any video with VLC media player. Now to cut your VLC media player, click on view and check this box advanced controls. And here you will see this red dot to cut and to record particular area in your video. Like I want to cut a video from 40 50 second. I want to start, so click on it and I need 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Again click on it, this red one. So now this way you have a portion of this video recorded or as a cut in your PC. So to find out, click on video and here you will see this is the cut for 7 seconds. So this is the way guys you can cut your video in VLC media player. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.